Question number 2. The 5 number summary below was determined from the sleep time in hours of a sample of 59 types of animal. Thank you. Show with calculations that a box plot constructed from this 5 number summary will not include any outliers. All right, so what do we notice? So we know that our upper fence, and it says to show calculations, is my, what's the value for my upper fence? Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR. My lower fence would be Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. So let's find the IQR. IQR is going to be my third quartile, 13.5 minus my first quartile of 8, 9, 10. That's going to be a 5.5. So let's do this here. So Q3 is the 13.5 plus 1.5 times 5.5. So let's do that on my calculator. 13.5, he says 135. 13.5 plus 1.5 times 5.5. 5.5, which gives me 21.75. And then let's do this one here as, what would that be? My lowest value of 8 minus 1.5 times 5.5. So 8 minus 1.5 times 5.5 gives me minus 0.25. And because, there we go, show me calculation of box which constructed from this 5 number does not have no outliers as as max is less than 21.75 and min is greater than minus 0.25.